kind of makeup look that is perfect for any occasion. It's my go-to for weddings, date night, nights out. Easier to do than you think. Let me show you how to do it. First, we prep our lips and skin. So I'm gonna go in with the Laneige Gummy Bear Balm. And for skin, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. The Unseen Screen from Supergoop is personally my favorite for my skin type. I'm normal to oily. This always pairs well whenever I wear makeup over it. I'm really gonna let that skincare really sink into the skin. While I do that, I'm just gonna fill in my brows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. By letting this sit for about 5 minutes, it's really gonna make sure that the makeup doesn't pill on top of the skincare. For this look, I wanna use minimal foundation, so I'm gonna do the underpainting technique. This is the Makeup by Mario Contour Stick in shade medium. This El Maquiage foundation has been one of my favorites. Spencer has seen me wear hundreds of different makeup products, and he complimented me when I wore this and said my makeup looked really good. I'm using my sponge so it really gives me that skin-like finish. Since this look is really bronzy, I'm going in with my Chanel bronzer and just adding this on top of where all of that contour initially was. This blush shade from Westman Atelier is so incredibly beautiful. This is shade Mimi, and it's just a really neutral, soft, rosy beige color. This is the perfect blush for when I want something soft and subtle. I want the under eyes to be soft, so I'm just using a little bit of the NARS Creamy Concealer. I'm just blending with this dose of color sponge. I'm obsessed with it. It's so fluffy and like the perfect size. For that flawless smooth under eye, I'm going in with the Givenchy Prism Lead Powder and just going to lightly set the under eyes. For the rest of the face, I'm just going to lightly set with this Hourglass powder. So many of you guys have said that this powder melt setting spray has been sold out for forever, and that makes me so sad. The skin looks so much better already. Now I'm gonna go in with the liquid highlighter. This is from Rare Beauty. This is shade Flaunt, and it's perfect for this look. It's very bronzy, and what I love about this specific highlighter is it doesn't pick up the makeup that I already have down like a lot of highlighters do. Onto the eyes, I'm gonna use a bronzer as the base. This is the Hoola bronzer, and I'm placing it all over the lid and on the lower lash line as well. I'm going in with the YSL Mini Couture Clutch Eye Palette. I'm gonna dip into this dark brown shade here. I'm just gonna focus this on the outer corner of the eye, just the outer edge of the lower lash line. With this Stila eye pencil in Espresso, I'm just going to define the lash line. By focusing the dimension all on the outer edges of the eye, you can really see it gives you that almond eye effect. I'm obsessed with the shimmers in these palettes. Look at how beautiful that gold is. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going in with the NARS eyeshadow stick. This is shade Ablaze. I curled my lashes. Now I'm going in with this Gucci mascara. This might be my favorite mascara at the moment. Literally one coat. Looks like I'm wearing eyelash extensions. I'm just adding a little bit to the outer edge of the lower lash line. I just removed the lip balm that I had on, and now I'm going in with Fawn. This is from Refi lipstick. I'm just adding a little bit of this Creme de Nude from MAC, and I'm just gonna blend that in with my finger. I love this nudie gloss from Armani. This is shade 7.